I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Square balance is pretty straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your balance and funding options. Step 2. Navigate to Balance. Once you are in the app, tap on the balance option located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your current balance overview. Step 3. Select Add Funds. Look for the Add Funds button on the balance overview page. Tap on it to proceed with adding money to your Square balance. Step 4. Choose your funding source. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you choose a bank account, ensure that it is verified to avoid delays in processing. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to add to your Square balance and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added. I hope this helps you add funds to your Square balance easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.